Hi, my name is Parth, and I recently completed the 30-day data analytics coding course. I'd love to share my experience with you guys today. The course was incredibly well structured and gave me a solid foundation in data analytics. We covered everything from coding in Python to understanding key data analysis techniques, all while working on real-world projects. One of the best parts of the course was how the instructors broke down the complex concepts in SQL, Power BI, Stats, and Excel. They taught each tool step by step, making sure before moving on to more advanced concepts. I particularly appreciated how the SQL lessons were structured and broke down. They took us from basic queries to more complex database management skill, and I felt confidently applying it right away. The Power BI sessions will also highlight for me the way instructors demonstrated how to create dashboards and visualizations made it very easy to grasp. I remember initially thinking that Power BI would be difficult to use, but after just a few lessons, I was able to build insightful reports on my own. The sections on statistics and Excel were equally impressive. The statistics concepts were explained in very easy terms, and practical examples, which I practiced through YouTube, helped me understand how to use statistical methods in data analytics. The Excel lessons were game changer. They taught us very basic, and we can use their tools, tips, and tricks to basically excel in our life, in our job through Excel. This course has had a huge impact for my professional life, I'm sure. I now feel comfortable using tools like SQL, Power BI, and Excel, and I've gained a solid understandings of statistics that I can apply in my work. The hands-on approach you guys have to practice. If you're thinking about taking this course, I highly recommend it. The teaching is clear, practical, and easy to follow. Whether you're starting or you want to deepen your knowledge in this course, it will equip you with the skills which will definitely help you guys in your career. Thanks for listening to my journey. I hope it inspires you guys too to dive into the world of data analytics.